Okay, in video number 2, we're going to tackle the 7th task. So, task number 7, in the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, deactivate and delete all the pre-installed plugins, install the appropriate plugins outlined below. Please refer to the card in Trello and install the appropriate plugin pack. So, we're in our dashboard and we're going to go down to Plugins and we'll click on Plugins. And you'll see that many times there are pre-installed plugins that we just don't need. Many of them are promotional. So the best thing to do is we're just going to highlight them all, and we generally need to deactivate first, and we hit apply. So once we've deactivated all the plugins, we highlight them all again, and we will delete all the plugins. Right. So basically we want to start with a fresh, clean plugins, no pre-installed plugins. Now, the plugins that we will install for each site, if we can refer to the instructions, it says, please refer to the card in Trello and install the appropriate plugin pack. So there's going to be plugins packs 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4. So we are in Trello, and the website that we're working to install is this one. So this is our card for this particular website, californiacoral.org. This is the example site that we're setting up. And we'll see here the plugin pack is number 1. So the plugin pack is number 1. On our instructions, we'll see that plugin pack number 1, here all the plugins are listed that need to be installed in plugin pack number 1. So we've got Loganizer, all-in-one SEO pack, Google XML sitemaps, iTheme security, and add to any share buttons. So those are the plugins that need to be installed for this particular website. Now, to install them, if you wish, you can go to the download page. So if you click these links, you'll notice that this is the area where you can actually download them if you wish. However, you can just copy and paste the titles in the plugin section in WordPress. So if we're in our WordPress area and we need to install plugin pack number 1, we'll go to Plugins and we'll go to Add New. And now we need to install and activate the plugins for plugin pack number 1. So remember, plugin pack number 1 is what we need to install for this particular website. So the first one is Loganizer. So we can just copy and paste that, or you can type it in manually here, Loganizer, and you hit search. And you'll see Loganizer comes up first. So we're going to click install, and it's going to install, and we want to click activate. So we're on our plugins page, and we've just activated Loganizer there. And that's a standard plugin. We don't need to do anything else. So we're going to add another one, and we'll see down here, the second one is all-in-one SEO pack. So we can just copy that, and we can paste it in here and search. And all-in-one SEO pack, and we're going to install that. And we're going to activate. Now sometimes this will throw you to the welcome screen here, which is fine. We don't need to do this right now, but we'll go back to plugins and we'll see that all-in-one SEO pack is installed and our Loganizer one's installed. So the next one is Google XML Sitemaps by Arnie Brachhold, and we can copy that. So we want to, in our plugins, add new, and we can paste that. And this is the one we want to install, Google XML Sitemaps by Arnie Brachhold, and we'll hit install, and we'll hit activate. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next one on our list, iTheme security. We can copy that, go back to plugins, add new, paste, and we will install and activate. New. iTheme Security Dashboard just got a new look. See what's new. We can close that. New, take your security to the next level by activating brute force network protection. So we can close that. For the iTheme security, we can go to settings and security check. So we want to secure the site. So when you install iTheme security, we will secure the site. And that's all you need to do for that. And we will hit close. And that plugin is set up. So we go back to plugins. So now we've got all-in-one, Google XML, iTheme Security, and Loganizer. So for iTheme Security, you need to go into settings and actually click on secure like we just did. And for our last plugin, for plugin pack number 1, copy, add new, and paste. And add to any share buttons. So we're going to install, and we're going to go activate. Add to any share settings, just dismiss. And we can go into the settings for add to any share buttons. And this stuff is pretty standard. We just need it displayed on all the settings that come pre-installed. So everything here is fine. You can just hit save changes and all that is set up properly. So plugins, our plugin pack number 1 consisted of Loganizer, all-in-one SEO pack, Google XML by Sitemaps, by Arnie Brachhold, iTheme Security, which we had to run and secure the site in settings, and add to any share buttons, which come preloaded. So that's the plugin pack for number 1, and all those plugins are now installed, and this task is finished. So below this video, you'll have an instructional video on how to set up the plugins that are located for plugin pack 2, 3, and so on. So depending on what the particular website says, this particular says plugin pack request for this particular website was number 1. You might get some websites that you're setting up which will have plugin pack number 2 or number 3 and so on. So you just refer to the instruction video page and we'll scroll down to the plugin pack section. And if it's plugin 1, install these. If it's plugin 2, then install the other plugins. But directly below this video, they'll have more instructional information on how to install the other plugins that are located in the other plugin packs.